hear me?
Why is this thing not showing my name? I don't understand.
Okay. All right then. We'll just go ahead and start. Yes, I hear you. All right. I actually wanted everyone on the call, but then since we have recording, so I can always catch up with the recording. So give me a moment, please. Okay, so this evening, what we are actually doing is I'm going to be introducing you guys to your trading platform. Okay, Mrs. Divine, you are the one that came in with A3, right? The A3 phone. You're the one that came in.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go ahead and start. All right, so it's so unfortunate Mrs. Victoria is not with us yet. First of all, yesterday I taught us how we make money in the forex market. Now there are two ways of trading forex. There's what we call that's where we'll be starting off tonight from. There's what we call the spot. Mr. Eze, please, are you with us?
Yes, I am.
Okay. There's what we call the spot FX. Now, the spot FX is what we call the traditional or the old way of trading forex. That is the most popular way of trading forex. That is where you trade forex based on points. Based on points. In this type of forex, you trade it based on points. That's my eraser. Get rid of this. Okay, let me just write it here. You trade forex based on points, and I'll explain what that is. Based on points. Now, yesterday I explained something to us. You trade based on points. I explained something to us yesterday about when to go in for a buy. That is when the base currency is gaining value and the quote currency is losing value. It means that the chart will be going up and you buy. And when opposite is happening, the quote is stronger than the base, you go in for a sell. Now, every movement here is calibrated in points. You can see it at the left-hand side. This is the market chart, like I told you. You can see it at the left-hand side. Now, the amount of money you make is dependent on how many points you are able to catch as it is going up. It's just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that. But then it's in 1 point something points. So let's say, for instance, you took a trade. Let me say you went in for a buy. After doing your analysis, you went in for a buy around here. You went in for a buy around here. This line I drew. Let me change the color to something obvious. Okay, no. Something more obvious. All right, yeah, I think that's obvious enough. Then what I'll do is just make it stronger. Make it. Okay. So let me get rid of this. Get rid of this, and let me pull this here. Please give me a moment. This thing is acting out. Oh, sometimes that is what. All right. Okay. Good. So you went in for a trade around here, and you went for a buy, saying that this thing you expect it to go up, and it came up to this point. It came up to this point. Now let me just calculate how many points. Now look at this. You went in for a buy at 1 point. So let me write it out. You went in for a buy at 1.25743. That was the point. This is a point here. 1.25743. And then you were able to catch this so much. This is where you left the trade. You took your profit around here at 1.30139. So you went in for this trade at 1.25743, and you took your profit because you expected it to buy. Are you with me? Are you all with me, please?
Yes, we are.
All right.
I am
Yes,
anyway.
yes,
Okay.
we can hear you.
Thank you. So you went in for this trade at this point. Let me call. You went in for the trade at A. I'm trying to explain what there are two ways of trading forex, as I started with the traditional way and then the way you registered to learn, which is the binary way, the newest way of trading forex. And this is the old way of trading forex. So you went in for that trade at point A and you came out at point B. Now, between point A and point B, you have to subtract. Now let's do the maths. We are going to subtract A from B because you can see B is higher than A, isn't it? So we want to know how
Yes.
many points it is from this point A here down to point B here. We want to know how many points it is. Now, the point is what now determines how much you've made. And I want to let you know that now each of these candles is each represent 1 day. So this is day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, day 8. So you would have spent approximately 9 days to be able to go from this point A that I have registered here to this point B. Like I said, this is the old way of trading forex. Now let us calculate how much will you have made in these 8 days. Let's say you took this trade here and you stayed up to this point. So I want to subtract. I'm going to say there's 1 here, so they are equal. I'm just going to say 139 minus 25 743. Hope you understand what I just did.
Yes.
I'm subtracting. The 1 already cancelled out. So it's going to be 9 minus 3. We have 6 at the end. We have 9 here. Please correct me if I'm wrong. I'm trying to subtract this from this. Here we have this. We have 3 here, and here I guess we have
4.
finish 396. Right? 396. Am I correct?
Yes.
396. If you subtract 39, 139, 30, 139, you subtract 25, 743 from this, you have 396. So this is 396 points. Now let me give you, this is 396 points. Now let's say you have a $100 account. Your account balance, let me say you started trading with $100. Now, the amount you are supposed to invest in this $100 is maximum of 1%, so that in case it goes against you, you know you're not going to be losing much. And that's what we call risk to reward ratio. That's what we call risk to reward ratio. So if you have $100, your investment is going to be, we have what we call a lot size. I'm not teaching you all that. I'm just giving you an example. I'm trying to explain the traditional way of trading forex. The lot size is what determines how much of your account balance is invested in a particular trade. So for $100, the advisable and most risk correct amount is 0.01. This means you are investing 1% of your account. So if you invest 0.01 and you were able to catch 396 points, what it means you've made is going to be $39.60. That is what you would have made for 8 days that you'll be on this trade with a $100 account. Now, if you have a $200 account, just multiply it by 2. You are going to be investing 0.02. So it means your profit is going to be 39.6 times 2. You understand me, right?
Yes.
Hello, guys. Are you with me?
Yes, we are.
Okay, I can only hear Mr. Eze's voice. I'm not hearing Mrs. Victoria and Mrs. Divine.
I didn't understand the calculation. Sorry.
Okay, the calculation is just you will not concern yourself with it. What I'm trying to do is, what I said is, I'm trying to explain the traditional way of trading forex. And I told you yesterday that when the base currency is stronger than the quote, the first currency is stronger than the second, it means the market is going to go up, isn't it? Do you understand to that point?
Yeah. Yes.
Now let's say is going up. How you trade forex is when you know it's going to go up, you want to go up with it. That means you are going to buy. Do you understand that? And when it's going to come down, you are going to sell. When you've done your analysis, those analysis, we are going to get there. I'm just trying to explain method of trading forex. Do you get me?
Okay.
Right. So let's say you have already, let's fast forward to 3-4 months from now and say you are trading forex, the traditional way of trading forex, and you already know how to do your analysis, and you did your analysis, you say, okay, at this point here, all these things has not happened yet. All these things from up here, from let me do this. From here like this, all this has not happened yet. Let me do something. Okay. So let's just imagine that all these shaded parts, it has not happened yet. This is the only thing that has happened. Come in, let me get rid of this thing. It's really affecting me. It's really affecting me. I don't know why my laptop is acting out today. What's happening? Come in, let me refresh this page. It's not supposed to be doing what it is doing. So now imagine that from where this cursor is down to this point, please, I'm talking to Mrs. Divine, down to this point, it has not happened. So you did your analysis and you say, okay, this market is going to go up, and you bought here, you went for a buy, and it went up for a total of 8 days, because each of these candles represents daily time frame. I'm going to teach you all this as we proceed. I'm just trying to explain something to you. Now, from this point A to this point B is a total of 396 points. You don't need to concern yourself on how I got that mathematics. You are going to learn that. I'm just trying to show something. You got 296 points. Now, I said if your account balance is $100, the maximum you would have made is $39.60. If your account is $200, you would have made times 2. If your account is $300. So this traditional way of trading forex is point-based. The more points you have, the more money you make. The less points you have, the less money you make. Do you understand me?
Yes.
All right. Yes. The more money you have is a point-based. The first way of trading forex is point-based. One of the things you do is, I didn't post today's video because today I have not been sleeping, so I had to rest today. So, but hopefully I'll post yesterday's video and today's video so that you can rewatch this thing. The first way of trading forex is point-based way of trading. You are trying to catch points. You are trying to catch. The more points you can catch, the more money you can make. That's the first way of trading forex. Then the second way of trading forex, let me get rid of all this thing. The second way of trading forex is what we call the time base, which is what you guys registered for. Now I'm going to be telling you the difference. is a time-based. The first one I said is the point-based way of trading Forex. The second way is the time-based way. Time-based. Now, what you are trying to do is, in this method of trading, I'm going to be showing you physical examples. In this method of trading, you are trading based on time. If in the time you went for a buy, the market was buying, you are going to make money. If in the time you went for a sell, the market was able to sell. So in 3 minutes, you could make $10. In 5 minutes, you can make $10. You can make 20, depending on your account balance, which is the newest way of trading and is the easiest. Now, the first way I showed you is the traditional way of trading Forex. It takes 6 to 18 months to be able to say you want to start trading on your own with that traditional way of trading Forex. 6 to 18 months minimum. And this is for a fast learner. That was what I started learning August. I could not even start trading till January. Now, but this method of trading Forex is, the learning curve is far shorter, is far easier to comprehend, far easier to understand. I have trained quite a number of people, 2-3 weeks. If you do my assignment, you will find yourself already being able to trade by yourself, even without waiting for me, for us to have calls where I'll be telling you what to do. So it is a time-based way of trading Forex, and I'm going to be showing you that one physically now. This is where we do our analysis. This chart you can see. This chart you see is where we do our analysis. What is the analysis? Our fundamental and technical analysis. But this is not where we place our trade. There's what we call the broker's platform. For instance, those that are a little bit familiar with the traditional way of trading Forex, you will hear of brokers like Hot Forex, Handtech, IQ, IC Market, so many of them. FSTM. Those are brokers. What are brokers? Brokers are firm that helps you trade the financial market. You can't trade the financial market from your bank account. You must open what we call a broker's trading account. That is where you'll be placing your trade. When you do your analysis, that is where you go and buy. When you do your analysis, that is where you go and sell. That is where you make money from. Here is where you do your analysis, and there is where you make the money. You go and place your trade. You go and execute what you've calculated and done here. You go and execute it there. Are you following me thus far? If you're following me, type 1, or just even respond. Let's not waste time. Just say yes if you are following me. Hello?
Yes.
I think I need to wear my
Yes.
ear. Okay. But let
Can
me
you
use
hear
my
me?
earpiece. I think it will be better. All right. Hello? Can we hear me?
Okay.
All right. Beautiful.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, I can hear you.
All right. I can hear us too. So I think it's better. I can hear you clearer now. So now let me show you what you actually signed up for. Is the second way of trading Forex, which is the new way of trading Forex called the binary way of trading Forex. The traditional way of trading Forex is far more expensive than this. When I started learning, I actually joined an academy called iMastery Academy. It's an academy in the United States, and you register with $235. You register with $235. And monthly, you pay $175. And I did that from January till up to now. I'm still in the academy. I'm still learning. So it's far more expensive. You find out that people cannot afford the cost of the traditional way of trading Forex. The truth is, Forex is expensive. If anybody tells you Forex is cheap, they are lying to you. It is expensive to acquire the skill. It's actually expensive, not just financially expensive, but also it will require sacrifice of time from your own end. But then when you master the skill, it pays off. It pays off. So the traditional way of trading Forex, we're not going to be looking at it. It is very complex. It will take time. That is not what we're looking at. We're looking at, so we'll be focusing on, I needed to establish all this foundation before we start building. Now I'm going to be leaving this chart. Like I told you, this is Trading View, and this night, every one of us is going to open a Trading View account. I'm going to be guiding you on how to open a Trading View account. Mrs. Victoria is the only person that does not have a broker's account yet. That is IQSense. I'm going to be forwarding the link to you after this call. I'll teach you how to open it so that hope it's being recorded. Yeah, it's being recorded. It's being recorded. Look at it. It's being recorded. We're recording it. It's being recorded. So now let us move. We're going to come back to this. Now this is IQSense. This is my broker's platform. This is where I trade the new way of trading forex. I have two of it. I have IQSense and I have Byte Forex. Now IQSense, the minimum, you can see their minimum deposit is $10. That is, if you have $10, you can just put your $10 inside their trading account and start trading. But I will tell you, if you put $10, you are not going to go anywhere. You are just going to be at one spot. At least, if you don't have money, start with, let's say, $25. Even $25 is low, but maybe because you are a first timer and you want to, first of all, it's not good to put all your eggs in one basket, or you want to say, at least let me test the waters with one foot first. So you might want to start with $25. Now, let me log in. So I'm going to be sending the link. I'm going to be showing us some things. Now let me log in and do a practical example of what I'm going to be teaching you. So you can see femipaul33@gmail.com. That is my email address, and then my password is concealed. I want to stay logged in, and I'm logging in. This is my IQSense. This is where I make money from. Now, when it loads, it brings you to a chart like this. It brings you to a chart like this. This is where you are going to be placing your trade. This is where you are going to be placing your trade. It brings you to a chart like this. This is a chart. Now, this is weekend. The market, like I told you, is closed. But then binary offers what we call OTC, over-the-counter market, on weekend, where you are trading a virtual market, not a real market. So I will advise you, don't trade on weekend. Weekend is a simulated market, not the real market. You want to wait till Monday or Sunday night before you trade. Yeah. So now here you can see my account balance. You can see my account balance in this account. And this
Hello,
is
sir.
yeah, I'm with you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Please, I think I have missed like the last 45 seconds or so, because your connection kept going off and I was not seeing you.
Okay, you watch the recording, sir. But then nothing much.
Oh,
I just
all
logged
right.
into my IQSense. That was all I did. I just
Okay,
logged
okay,
into
okay,
my
okay,
IQSense.
okay.
Yes.
All right.
There was nothing more. Yeah, those are the little disadvantages with Zoom, but then we'll just cope with it. Now,
All right.
so at the top here, I want to first of all show you something. So Mrs. Victoria, especially, when you register, it's going to bring you, when you log in, it's going to bring you to a page like this. Now, you now want to come down to settings. When you come to settings, you want to come to personal, okay, not just even personal data. I got a message from Mrs. Divine. IQSense having latest development. You don't need to verify your account before you start trading. But Mr. Eze, you verified your account, isn't it? I guided you on how to verify your account, and it's verified, right?
Yes. Yes.
So
Yes.
if I will advise you, insist they verify your account. But then if they say, because when you want to make withdrawals, that is where you will now be going through the process of verifying it. Why not verify it before even that withdrawal time? So Mrs. Divine, I will advise you, do what I'm about to show you now. When you log in, you come to settings, you come to support. You click on support. Now, this is support. This is where you talk to the brokers. You want to chat them up from here. Now, you want to submit a ticket. Now, you can see how many tickets I've submitted and they respond. So you want to submit a ticket to them. You click submit ticket. You come to subject. What you put in the subject is account verification quest. That's what you put here. Then yeah, you can do this. You can come select document, IQSense document verification. Under department, you select IQSense document verification. The priority, you want to make it high priority. Then under the content, I am requesting I'm requesting that my account be verified. Please, I will prefer to have it verified before I start trading. Full stop. And that's all. Then, when you've done this, are we following me thus far?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Eze, yes. Mrs. Victoria, yes. Mrs. Divine, yes, also, I guess. Now, when you've done this, the reason why I wrote it like this is because when you when you send this to them, they are going to tell you that you don't need to verify your account. You can just wait for withdrawals. You want to insist that, please, I want you guys to verify my account so that when I want to do withdrawals, it's going to just go smoothly. I don't have to be worrying about verification. Now, you come to upload file. You click on the upload file, and you want to upload your either your international passport or your national ID card, indemnity card, or your driver's license. Any of those you have. If you have your international passport, you have your national ID card, and the national ID card, they accept the slip. If you don't have the card yet, if you have the slip, they accept it. You just upload it, and then after uploading, you should know how to upload. Then you just submit the ticket. Now, I don't need to submit this ticket because my account is verified. You just submit the ticket, and when you submit it, it's going to be highlighted here, but then it will not be showing closed. It will be showing open in green. All right, like this one. It's going to be showing open. Why will it be open? Because it has not yet been attended to. When it is attended to, it will be closed. And any response they have, they are going to send it to you here. So you can just check back here after 24 hours. And also, they are going to send a copy of the response to your email address. That is that about this. All right, 10 minutes more. So when we're logged out, let's just re-log back in. Now, when your account is verified, under the same settings, when you come to personal data, under that same settings, this is how your account will look like. Account verification. You see my own account verification status. My account is verified. This is Femi Paul. My email, everything is intact. Now, I also want to show you guys some things interesting. How to fund your account. How do you fund your account? When you want to put money into your account, how do you do that? When you log in, you want to come to funding. You come to account funding. We're going to watch this video again. This is how to fund your account. Now, they accept, you want to come here under your deposit. You want to put how much you are depositing. Let me say somebody is depositing $15. You want to put $15 there. Now, they have different method of funding. You have Visa card, you have Bitcoin, you have altcoin. All these are digital currencies. Then you have perfect money. If you want to use Visa card, the truth is, they will collect your money. The transaction will be smooth. But when you want to do withdrawals, the delay can be frustrating. So what we all do and what we all advise everybody is Bitcoin is one of the fastest way of making deposits. So if you are using Bitcoin, all you need to do is click Bitcoin. Like me, how I do my own. If you're using Visa card, you click Visa card, you put your card details, and then you click fund account. But I don't use card, I use Bitcoin. So, but if you want to try it, and if you don't mind whatever delay will come by withdrawals, you can just go ahead, but then it all works. So, Bitcoin, you click Bitcoin. When you click Bitcoin, it's going to bring you here. You can see now amount in base currency, 15 USD. Now you click fund account. Once I click fund account, it's going to bring me to this page. Now, this is what I'm interested in. These numbers, this code that is highlighted in green. This is their Bitcoin address. This is IQSend Bitcoin address. So you want to click on copy address. You copy this address. Now, I have copied the address. Now, you are going to go to your Bitcoin wallet, or if somebody is sending the Bitcoin for you, you are going to send this address to the person, either on WhatsApp. I've copied it now. You are going to send it to the person, either on WhatsApp or any platform that you're funding with. Now, on this laptop, I cannot access my blockchain. If not, I would have accessed my block. Let me see if I can access it. I haven't used this laptop to access blockchain before.